Oh my goodness. Oh, it's hot. Today is the 24th of July, 2019. And I think, what is it, 34 degrees today? Oh my God. What's going on, everyone? It's Caf from Caf_official_Insta. And I'm back with another review for you. And it is the boom. Wait, can we stop set? It's too hot. It's too hot. I'm wearing this top for the video. It is a long sleeve tee. You know, like when an American working class dad finds out his daughter's a stripper or his son is an escort. Like the way he says, oh my God, is how hot it is. Josh, bad news, man. It's Catherine. She's a stripper. Oh my God. Oh my God. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Tick, 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 tick. The Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low for your Yes, I know what you're thinking. I feel the need to address that Jordan, I was going to say SB, I don't know why. I feel the need to address the loyal Jordan 1 Low fans that asked me what I thought about this. And yes, I said, gonna pass. I said, not as good as these. And here I sit before you with my hands laid out like Oliver Twist. Please, sir. No, I got him, yeah? The homeboy hooked it up. The homeboy hooked it up, yeah? Yeah? Apologetic to nobody. You get what you can in this life, and when you put positive energy out there, sometimes you get some positive energy back. So anyway, let's take a quick close-up, a quick close-up look at this shoe because it's nuts, and we're gonna have a discussion in a minute. So first up, on the lateral side, you've got the reverse white swoosh. Yep, that's right, not tick, swoosh. Sitting underneath that, you've got a lovely plush suede black. Then below that, on the midsole, you've got a full length sail midsole. And don't forget, it's an Air Jordan, so there is air technology within this shoe. In the outer sole, you've got a brown rubberized outsole. On the toe box, you've got a lovely brown toe box panel. Don't know why I said toe box so many times. I think I forgot what to say and I wanted to sound smart. And that's what happens when you try and sound smart and you don't know what you're talking about. So on the toe box, surrounded by a brown panel, you've got black plush suede again. I was going to say leather. Then on the medial side, you've got a normal swoosh in brown sitting on top of Cactus Jack, which appears to be not painted on, but is printed on the medial side. And then sitting underneath that is more of this lovely black suede. Is it suede? Nubuck even. Sorry guys, I've been calling it suede. You got black nubuck. Then on the heel counter, you've got brown suede. And the Wings logo embroidered in red. Now, most importantly, on the tongue, the tongue is nylon, and on the tongue you got the Nike Air logo and also Cactus Jack on the right hand side of the right shoe and Cactus Jack on the left hand side of the left shoe. On the insole, you've got Travis Scott on the right shoe. I'm talking too fast, but that was correct. On the right shoe, you've got Travis Scott on the insole, and on the left shoe, you've got the Jumpman logo. Before we get into this any further, let's talk about the lace options. Now, you've got black, flat, waxed laces. Say that again. Black, flat, waxed laces. Bars. Boom. Other options are, you've got black rope SB type laces, the fat chunky ones. You've also got red flat waxed laces, that's red flat waxed laces, and you've also got pink SB style, not rope laces, more the wide chunky, I don't know what you'd call them, the spongy chunky laces that you'd normally find on a Nike SB Dunk low, mid or high. Now let's look at some on-foot shots whilst we talk about this shoe. Now the controversy is Nike, you naughty boys and girls. On the 19th, late in the day, maybe even after 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 7 p.m., Nike announced that the Travis Scott low would be releasing exclusively on TravisScott.com. It released, don't know if it shipped to the UK. Most of us Europeans don't like using them American websites because shipping and customs is a bastard when you get the shoe. That's why half of us don't cop from StockX, because a shoe could cost £150. You press buy now, all of a sudden with admin fees, shipping and customs, it is £7,000. And then when it gets to customs, you've got to pay again, even though you thought the custom charge was in the price. Hang tight, my undefeated Air Max 97 should have cost £210, ended up costing about £310. I don't know where that extra cost came from, and I don't know why I had to pay more when it got to customs. Ridiculous, but that's how life is. Not complaining, because that's just how things are. It would be the same for anything, well, most things you're getting shipped from abroad. Expensive Air Max 97s that I never wear. What's the point? But anyway, yes, so Nike announced the shoe on the 19th. It's going to drop on TravisScott.com. Then all of a sudden, in the next morning on Saturday, it's on the sneakers app. 8 a.m. draw, 30 minutes. There was no warning. People in the know knew, other people didn't. Even me, with as much information as I get. Okay, I kind of knew they were going to drop. I found out late on the 18th that it was going to drop, but within that time, it was enough time, because I found out like AM in the morning. So it dropped. I saw a lot of people get wins. Now, I saw a lot of people get wins, but just like any sneakers app draw process, there was a lot of people that caught L's. Now, I will say that I feel really bad for the people that are loyal Jordan 1 Low fans, because I'm not. I'll be the first to admit, I don't have any Jordan 1 Lows because I love the high. I love Jordan 1 highs. And I feel bad saying this. I feel like such an asshole saying this, but it's a shame it took this hyped pair for me to appreciate the Jordan 1 Low. And it's going to sound so hypocritical. It's going to sound so typical. It's going to sound so hype beasty. But the Jordan 1 Low, after having this on and taking pictures of it and reviewing it now with you guys, I can honestly say, me included, people need to stop sleeping on the Jordan 1 Low, because it bangs. It's a dope shoe and it bangs. And from the colorways that I've been seeing, you got a patent gold toe coming out. You got like a fragment type royal blue. You've already had the breads. You've already had the black toes. You've already had the pine greens. I think there was even a court purple low. Like, we, as a community, we need to stop sleeping on the Jordan 1 Low, and that's me included. That's criticism of myself. Having said that, this is a crazy, crazy shoe, crazy collaboration. Travis Scott, can this guy be stopped? So anyway, yeah, that's me waffling. That has been me reviewing the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low, and I am a numpty for not giving the Jordan 1 Low more of a chop. From now on, I'm switched on, I'm clued up. Loyal Jordan 1 Low fans, accept this humble gesture of acknowledgement that I slept on a shoe that I shouldn't have been sleeping on. I don't apologize for getting the shoe, but if I put anyone off it because I was sitting on the fence, I ain't apologizing for that. I've been Kath, you've been awesome. Safe. Bleh.